Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy and I'm so glad that you're here. Today's video is a tour of restoration hardware. I did one in the past, I did it last year and a lot of you enjoyed it, so I'm here with another one and hope you like this one. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And for my old timers, thank you as always for rocking and rolling with me. And without further ado, let us jump right into this video. My family and I love to dine at the their rooftop restaurant, and it's always a pleasure dining. And typically we take a tour and just kind of look around, and I, kind of draw inspiration from what's new. And so today that's what we'll be doing. Usually we dine first and then do a tour, but today we're going to be doing the reverse. So just showing you basically what the new trends are here, restoration hardware. And yeah, I love their design. I love that it's luxurious, it's minimalistic but packs a punch. You look at their furniture, it's high quality, high end. I wish I could afford a lot of their stuff. If I could take everything they have and put in my home, I would. But my bank account will just stare at me and tell me, Peggy, would you just take a seat and just enjoy touring restoration hardware, okay? Maybe someday I'll be able to afford it. But for now, let's just enjoy the tour. Restoration hardware typically has different floors with different design styles. You've got the traditional, you've got transitional, and the modern. I'm more of a modern girl, so in between transitional and modern. And I love their collections. But what I noticed this time around, they've got a lot of brown, a lot of organic look, very earthy, and I love that. I love that. That's what is very prominent in almost all the floors. And it's different, and that's one thing I like about interior design. It's not static, it's dynamic, it's ever evolving, and so I was quite intrigued. And with all the brown earthy furniture and accent pieces and what have you. So yeah, restoration hardware is typically known for their black, white and gold and brass furniture and accent pieces, so their whole collection, so it's it was very warming to see all that warmth being displayed in this new set of collections, let's put it that way. So yeah. I'm obsessed with their light fixtures, amongst a lot of things. They are known for their incredibly stunning, light fixtures, chandeliers, pendant lighting, you name it. I actually fancy this one right here in this bedroom. I'd love to have this in my dining room. We'll see. But I love also how they make their beds. It's no fuss, very minimalistic, but every room has a story to tell, and I know a lot of what we see on IG, we use a lot of decorative pillows, when we make our bed. Nothing wrong with it, everyone has their style, but in restoration hardware you would not see that at all. Their approach to making beds is, like I said, very minimalistic. You probably just see a few pillows and maybe a lumbar pillow. It's very, 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 very minimalistic. Anytime I travel to a different state and I know that there's a restoration hardware close by, I always make it a point of duty to go there and visit and just draw inspiration from their pieces, their collections. Last year we wanted to visit, they just opened one in London, and we're visiting Europe. We're going to be in London at the time that they had just opened, and I really wanted to go visit, but oh my goodness, it was We were in central London, and it was like an hour away by tube or any means of transportation. And I wasn't ready to do an hour, commute to go visit. Besides, we had other things planned out, but hoping that next time we visit, we'll be able to, have a tour of, their gallery. But I've been to quite a few restoration hardware in a few states. The one I'm really looking forward to is the one in San Francisco. I hear it's humongous. It has it's like 10 times what you've seen in different states. And, I'm really so intrigued. I want to go see what they have. I've seen pictures, I've seen some videos on YouTube, but I want to go see it in person and just, be immersed in all that, magnificence and, all that, everything that, they have in there. I'm really looking forward to it. So hopefully maybe next year we'll see. Love this elegant cream sofa. 2024 introduced a lot of, well, not late 2023 and 2024 has a lot of sofas and furniture, chairs with curved lines and that kind of, retro style kind of aesthetic. And I love that. I appreciate that. I'm not a retro. I like more modern. I know years and years ago, top-set furniture was the in thing, but it's almost like it's kind of phasing out. So, but that's one thing I like about design. And when it comes to one of the recommendations I always make when it comes to getting pieces for your home, always get things that are classic, timeless. It will never go out of style. There are lots of trends always, coming and going. But when you have something that is classic, it would always remain timeless, no matter what you have, no matter the trend. So that's always been my philosophy when it comes to getting pieces, furniture pieces, or just accent pieces, things for your home, designing your home. That's always been my, my philosophy. They bring a lot of greenery when it comes to styling spaces. You'll see things like a moss ball, which is so easy to do. I actually have one that I did not too long ago. It's on my IG if you want to go check that out. But a moss ball is one thing you can just put in so easy. So they have a lot of greenery. Very seldom will you find, in fact, almost never find flowers that are colorful. I think they they shy away from that. It's mostly greenery you'll find in their gallery, and I appreciate that. I really love that. There's nothing wrong with like using flowers, colorful flowers. It's just not something you will find in restoration hardware. Love these almost tribal pieces that they have incorporated in this bedroom. This one also in this bedroom looks really lovely. Love the texture. It's beautiful. It's the focal point of the bedroom, but at the same time it doesn't take away from the rest of the room. It has this lovely flow to it, and has a harmonious union with all the pieces in the bedroom. So that's really beautiful. Love these retro style chairs, accent chairs. They flow so beautifully with the rest of the furniture in this bedroom space. Another stunning chandelier. Love that one. Same retro style chairs here as well, but in a different color. Love, love, love. I'll be the first to admit that I've never really been a fan of canopy beds. I just do not. I'm just not a fan of them. But I will tell you, this one is really stylish, and yeah, it's beautiful. I've actually seen quite a few online that are like, wow, not bad at all. But I'm not really a canopy bed kind of girl. Let's just put it that way. Love how this bedroom is styled. It's very light and inviting, chic, elegant. It's very warm and welcoming. Love how everything is just beautiful. More gorgeous curved furniture pieces. Love these these sofas. You'll always find a table in one of the floors with their catalogs. They are really great. You can draw a lot of inspiration from them and also use them as coffee table books. I can tell you I have quite a few, in my home. So grab those. They're free. Just grab them and be inspired. Be inspired by what they have. All right, we worked up an appetite from all that walking and it's time to go dine. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been fun showing you their latest pieces, and I hope you've drawn inspiration from everything that they have, in their gallery. So it's time for us to go eat. Love these gorgeous chandeliers. Just look at how stunning all of them are. And hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. And oh, look at them. This is their rooftop restaurant. Really gorgeous. And they have their fountain as well. Really beautiful. If you've loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're an old timer, thank you for rocking and rolling with me. As always, love their food. Really lovely. And have a lovely weekend, guys. Take care and cheers.